Oh, very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher. And students, today we are going to start a new chapter of your textbook, that is of English grammar. Lesson 2, Conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two noun phrases or sentences. So simply by this definition we come to know that conjunction words होते हैं जो दो noun phrases और sentence को join करते हैं. Students, for, and, nor, but, your, at, so. These all are called as coordinating conjunction. We call them coordinating conjunction. We can learn this coordinating conjunction, that is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so by Fun Boys. Coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases or clauses that they join. So students, हम लोग coordinating conjunction हमेशा कहाँ आएंगे? That means कहाँ we use them between the words, phrases or clauses. We use coordinating conjunction. For, use like because, present reason. For को हम लोग because के लिए use करते हैं और for present reason. Guys, we can see the example. We took out the umbrellas from the loft, for it is rainy season now. So here we use for as a reason. Now the next conjunction is and, used to show addition, presents ideas that are similar. So here is the example of an. My brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. So students, here we have joined two sentences, that is the writer and the scientists. Nor, used to say not. Here student, nor conjunction is used to say not. Present a negative idea with another. Here by nor we present a negative idea. Join two sentences having the adverb not. So let's see the example. My father does not get angry at me, nor does my mother. Here not is the negative, not is used, and here we use nor as a conjunction. Next conjunction is but. Shows a contrast, present ideas that are opposite. So but we use for a opposite thing. Let's see the example. We went to the theater, but we could not get tickets for the movie. That means by this example we understand that वो लोग थिएटर पर गए बट उन्हें क्या हुआ? टिकट्स, दे डोंट गेट द टिकट्स फॉर द मूवी. और is the another conjunction, shows an option, present an alternative idea or choice. Students, we use or for showing the option, this or any alternative choices or ideas. Let's see the example. Be there on time or you will miss the bus. Here we are using or as a choice. Now the student, the next conjunction is yet. Present an outcome or contrast. I was upset with my brother, yet I helped him with his project. Here in this example it yet is showing the contrast. The next conjunction is so. Present a consequence or result. We use so for showing the consequences or the result. Let's see the example. I had not done my work, so I apologized to my teacher. Here, the consequences is that I apologized to my teacher. So, here we use so as a consequence. So now students, we are going to start our next topic, that is interjection. So students, lesson 23, interjections. I got a toothache. Hurrah, we won. So here, and hurrah, these both are interjection and these are used before these sentences. The word interjection means thrown in. An interjection is a word thrown in mostly at the beginning of a sentences or in a conversation to express a deep or sudden emotion. It is followed by an exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark. So students, by this definition, now we know that interjection is put it in the beginning of the sentences or in the conversation to express the sudden feeling or emotions. Here are some examples of the interjections. Whoa, what a brilliant idea! What did you say? Oops, I'm sorry. Hi, how are you? Ouch, that hurts. Phew, it's finally done. Yuck, this tastes awful. So students, these all are the interjections. Interjections have no grammatical value. Some other interjections are like hello, he, bye, shh. These all are the interjections. So student, now this both chapter, the interjections and the conjunction is finished, and if there is any doubt or query related to this chapter, you can ask me anytime.